Hey guys, so I have here my JBL LIVE650btnc wireless headphones, and a couple of people have told me about the problem that they are not able to shut down their headphones. So for some reason it just doesn't work for them anymore. So when you have the power button and you're just going to slide up the button and hold it up there for just a little bit and then let go, and then it should shut down. So as I said, for some people this doesn't work. And what you can try to fix that is called a factory reset. So instead of using the power button to shut off the headphones, you're just going to press and hold the volume plus and minus buttons. And you press and hold them at the same time and for, I believe, between 5 and 8 seconds. And when you take a look at the power button, you see the headphones are shutting off, but immediately they're going to turn back on again. So this was the factory reset. And so from this point on, you should be able to normally turn off your headphones again. The only thing you have to consider is after the factory reset, the headphones have forgotten about all devices that they were connected to. So you're going to go through the pairing process again. So if you want to connect these headphones to your smartphone, then you have to do this again. And yeah, okay, so I hope this video is helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below and don't forget to like and subscribe.